Hey YouTube foodies! Today on She Cooks It All, we are going to make this delicious, easy chickpeas tikka masala, a perfect budget dinner and perfect for your meat-free days, okay? So to cook, we're gonna heat up some oil in a big enough pan on a medium to high heat. Add in our diced onion and saute this, stirring frequently for about a minute or so until the onions are nice and soft, not brown, simply soft, okay? And then we are going to add in a mixture of garlic and ginger, and we are going to continue cooking this. Again, keep on stirring for about another 20 seconds. I have the full recipe on my blog, which is shecooksitall.com, and all the ingredients used are listed down below, so everything you need is in the description, guys. So continue cooking this for about 20 seconds. Once it's ready, now this is the star of the show, a pot of tikka masala, and then we are going to add that in. This guys is like, oh god, whoever came up with this curry pot is a genius. If you are not a curry person, or you are intimidated with curry, this will make you look like a pro. Use curry pot, use curry paste, okay? You can buy it as a pot or as a paste. So add that in and then fry. I'm going to add a little bit of water from the same pot just to collect all those flavors, and then we are going to continue frying until all that water has evaporated. It took me about a minute or two, but take your time, guys. Trust me, you need to fry this so that you can awaken all those flavors, okay? And the pot I use is from a brand called Parker, I believe. Can you see how now the water has evaporated? The smell, guys, oh my goodness, this smells amazing already. Genius, whoever created this, okay? Here's the brand I use, and this is not sponsored, just so you know, okay? Once the curry has fried, we're going to add in our tomato paste, followed by the fresh tomatoes. But fresh, I'm using canned tomato, and everything is on the website, okay? So you're gonna fry this until the tomatoes have softened and you are starting to see oil bubble on top. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Take your time. This will make or break your curry. Trust me. Take your time to fry your tomatoes, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Can you see all those oil bubble? It has changed color. The tomatoes are fully fried. Again, you have to keep on doing that for about 10 minutes. Keep on stirring occasionally so it's not burning. Once it's ready, we are now going to add in our cooked chickpeas. You can use chickpeas from the can, or you can use fresh chickpeas, and everything is mentioned or explained on the blog. Mix this in well, and then we are going to go ahead and add in our seasoning, which is simply salt and pepper to taste. So add in your salt and pepper to taste, and then mix this well, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our cream, because creamy curry is the best. Add in your coconut cream, and then we are going to give this a good mix, and then add in hot water. The amount of water you add in is up to you, how soupy you like your curry. I added in about 1.5 cups. Again, it's up to you guys. So I use the same pot to collect all those coconut cream to use for the hot water, so I'm not adding in any more coconut cream, okay? Once you are happy with the liquid, bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, reduce heat to low, and see my lowest is at 2, so simmer, cover this and simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, oh my goodness, the flavor, the smell that was coming out of my kitchen, this was so good. I hope you are inspired. I served this with rice. You can serve it with naan bread, chapati. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.